Noom claims that it's not just another weight loss app. It promises to change how you think about food, health, and habits. But does the Noom app really deliver? I'm Caroline from Healthnews, and today, with the help of our research team, we're taking a closer look at Noom. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what this app offers, how it works, and if it's worth your time and money. All right, so what exactly is Noom? Unlike traditional diet apps, focusing on quick fixes or restrictive meal plans, Noom takes an eating psychology-based approach to weight loss. It's all about understanding why you eat the way you do and building sustainable, long-term habits. Through daily lessons, food tracking, and personalized coaching, Noom may actually help you make better choices and stay consistent. You could think of it as a weight loss app that trains your mind, not just your plate. Now, if you decide to try Noom, you can always find the best current deal for Noom through the link in the description below or by scanning the QR code on your screen. No pressure, just an easy way to kick things off if you're aiming for some real, lasting changes this year. Now, we were able to narrow down the most important tools this app can offer, so let's take a closer look at them. At the heart of Noom are its daily science-backed lessons designed to help you understand and modify your eating behaviors. This is why Noom stands out. It doesn't just tell you what to eat, it teaches you why you eat. For example, select Design Your Big Picture lesson. It's simple but impactful. You're asked two key questions. What is your super goal and why do you want to achieve it? Noom encourages you to reflect on your bigger purpose, which helps you stay motivated on tough days. This focus on psychology, inspired by cognitive behavioral therapy, has been proven to help tackle emotional eating and increase control over food intake. Both are key factors in lasting weight loss. Noom also promises personalized coaching to support your journey. Through the app's chat function, you can reach out to a guide by interacting with the app's very own AI called Welly. Just type message coach, and one will reach out to you after a day or two. But here's the catch. Noom's coaching system has changed. While it used to offer dedicated one-on-one coaching, it now primarily relies on AI guides. These guides may offer copy and paste answers. And then there are bots that can provide weekly stats or canned messages. Sadly, no more clear feature for reaching directly to your chosen coach. Now on to something which is actually very clever. Noom's food tracking system uses a color-coded approach to help you understand calorie density. You may look this up by going to the Success Kit tab. Here it is, the article on food color lookup. Basically, what this means is that all the food is divided into 3 color groups. The first group is green foods. These are nutrient-dense, low-calorie options like fruits and veggies. Then we have yellow foods, which are lean proteins and grains. And finally, there's orange foods, or calorie-dense items like nuts, oils, and sweets. Here's how it works. You can log meals under the meal plan section. Let's say you choose a breakfast idea like oatmeal with fruit. Here you'll see the breakdown of green, yellow, and orange percentages. This system should help you stay aware of food choices without completely restricting you, which could make it sustainable for most users. Furthermore, Noom doesn't stop at food tracking. It also includes tools for exercise and activity tracking. You can log workouts or follow tailored exercise plans in the app based on your fitness levels and goals. While not as comprehensive as dedicated fitness apps, Noom's activity tracking encourages you to stay active, promoting a balanced approach to overall health and your weight management goals. Now let's take a look at the second main tab, Progress. Noom helps you track your journey with visual progress tools. Under this tab, you can see the Trends tab. Here you'll find graphs showing your completed goals. And also, we can see the Course Map tab. This encompasses your personalized journey through lesson milestones. I finished the first one. Here, set yourself up for success. And then reach the next one. Feel full on fewer calories. These tools could potentially make it easy to celebrate small wins and stay on track toward your bigger goals. Last but not least, Noom offers community support. I think it's an often overlooked but powerful tool in weight management. After 10 days of using the app, you can join interest-based communities to connect with other Noomers. These groups are moderated by coaches and Noom users. This provides accountability and encouragement. and includes everything from exercise tips to shared recipes. In fact, studies show that peer support can play a crucial role in achieving weight loss goals. So to recap, Noom combines daily lessons, food and activity tracking, achievable progress tools, and community support to help you build healthier habits. It's not perfect, but its eating psychology-based approach and structured features give it a unique edge in the crowded world of weight loss apps. Okay, if you're already curious about trying Noom, don't forget, you can check out the latest special deal in the description below or simply scan the QR code on your screen. So while Noom has some impressive features, you may notice several drawbacks as well. Let's get honest about what might not work for everyone. First, there's the cost. Noom is more expensive than some other weight loss apps on the market. Longer subscriptions are more affordable, but it's still an investment, and that may not fit everyone's budget. Next is the time commitment. Noom asks for daily engagement, logging meals, completing lessons, and tracking progress. Of course, it's required if you want better results, but if you have a packed schedule or struggle with consistency, this could feel overwhelming. Finally, there's a calorie issue. Noom calculates your calorie needs based on the answers you provide during sign-up. While the math works for most, many users report feeling hungry or fatigued, especially early on. This is because the portions and types of foods can be so different from their usual routine. And this isn't necessarily about the calorie count being too low. It's about the adjustment period when shifting to healthier habits. So the app may not be ideal for people with very high physical activity levels, as their needs might outpace Noom's standard formulas. So, is Noom worth it? If you're someone looking for a psychologically informed approach to weight loss, and you're open to daily engagement with lessons, food tracking, and goal setting, Noom could be a great fit. With its mix of science-backed tools, coaching support, and progress tracking, Noom offers a unique program, though its price and time commitment may not suit everyone. The good news? You don't have to guess. With a 7 or 14-day trial, you can explore Noom for yourself and see if it aligns with your goals and lifestyle. Thanks for sticking with me through this Noom review. If you're ready to see if Noom is right for you, don't forget to check out the special deal in the description below or scan the QR code on your screen. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more health reviews and let us know in the comments what tools help you stay on track with your health goals.